How to delete ignored friend requests from Snapchat. So, deleting the ignored friend request on Snapchat is quite easy. Make sure to watch the video till the end. So, first thing first, open a Snapchat app. Then, make sure to log in on your Snapchat application. Then, go to the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile feed, you just have to scroll all the way down and under Friends, select Add Friends option. Here, you need to select the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and tap on Ignored from Added Me. So here you'll see the list of all the ignored friend requests. So in order to delete this ignored friend request from Snapchat, simply you need to tap and hold the username and you have to tap on block in order to successfully delete those ignored friend requests from Snapchat. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it and hit the notification bell for more updates.